Ready to dive into the world of Solana and digital assets, right here in Ethiopia. First, open your Chrome, Brave, or Firefox browser, and head over to the Chrome Web Store. Search for Phantom Wallet. Make sure it's the official extension to avoid scams. It should have a good rating and lots of users. Click Add to Chrome to begin the installation. A pop-up will appear asking for permission to install Phantom. Click Add Extension to confirm. The extension will download and install automatically. You'll see the Phantom logo appear in your browser's extension area. Now, click the Phantom icon in your browser. This opens the Phantom Wallet interface. You have two choices: create a new wallet or import an existing one. Since we're setting up for the first time, click Create New Wallet. Next, create a strong password for your wallet. Make sure it's something you'll remember but hard for others to guess. Type it in the password field and then confirm it in the field below. This is the most important step. You'll see your secret recovery phrase. Write it down on a piece of paper and store it in a safe place. This phrase is the only way to recover your wallet. If you lose your password or your computer breaks, don't screenshot it or store it digitally, as that makes it vulnerable to hackers. Once you have safely stored it, check the box indicating you have saved it. Congratulations! Your Phantom Wallet is now set up and ready to use. You can now access the Solana blockchain, send and receive SOL, and explore the world of decentralized applications. Start exploring and managing your digital assets right here from Ethiopia.